Hi everyone, welcome back to our fourth episode of our Easy Thanksgiving Menu for Two series. Today, the star of the dinner, the turkey. I think I only roasted a whole turkey once or twice in my life. And for two people, what was I thinking? I don't know. But I've learned my lesson, and when it's just the two of us, my husband and I stick with turkey breast because it's more than enough for the two of us. You are gonna fall in love with this recipe because it's pretty straightforward, easy to follow, and you're gonna end up with a very juicy and tender turkey breast. Let's get started. We're gonna prepare a paste to marinate the bird. I have here some butter at room temperature. Gonna add a zest of 1 lemon. Some sage. Some salt, and pepper. I'm gonna mix this all together. I like to use butter for turkey because turkey breast, it's very dry, and the butter helps to add some moist to it. Ready. So with your fingers, you're gonna lose the skin because we're gonna add that mixture under the skin. I even like with a small knife to make some cuts to poke the breast so the mixture get in there. Also using your fingers, we're going to spread some of this mixture under the skin. Make sure that it gets in these pockets here that you made with the knife. I am using bone-in turkey breast. Then we're going to spread and rub the remaining of the mixture on top of the skin. Done. I forgot to add the garlic paste to the mixture, but that's okay. We can add it right now on top of everything. Place the turkey in the refrigerator and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. We're gonna place the turkey in a preheated oven at 450 degrees, and we're gonna bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes, just until the skin started to turn brown. In a few minutes, your kitchen is gonna start smelling amazing. I set up a timer, and for 20 minutes, after that we're gonna reduce the temperature to 350 degrees until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees. The total cooking time, it depends on the size of the turkey breast. Usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes per pound. The turkey is ready. Check this out, how beautiful this looks. Now we're gonna let it rest for about 10 minutes and then we're gonna slice them up. This year I'm skipping all the gravy, but I'm gonna make a gremolata to drizzle on top of the turkey that's gonna go very well with all the flavors in here. Let me show you how. Gremolata is very simple to make. It only takes a few tablespoons of fresh parsley, a little bit of salt, a little bit of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Oh, finish it up. And lemon juice. Like about 2 tablespoons. We're gonna mix this. And that's it. Here we have it, gremolata. And now we're gonna plate it. Just like that. And a drizzle of the gremolata right on top. Look how clean this is. And this is it, our 4th episode of our Easy Thanksgiving Menu for 2 series, the turkey. But tomorrow we're gonna have the most wanted episode in the close-up, dessert, which is the best apple crisp recipe that you've ever had. So I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.